Hi, I'm Neha and I'm a computer software engineering student at Northeastern. I'm a full stack and backend engineer. This is MedBridge, an AI agent I designed and built solo in 36 hours. From a scalable fast API back into React frontend with real production concerns like HIPAA compliance backed in from day one. The hackathon goal was to build an AI agent that could scale into a real business. No vertical limits, and MedBridge took first place at Open Source for AI Agent Hackathon. Now let me show you what it does. So the problem was every MRI surgery or specialist referral need prior authorization before insurance pay. Staff fill out 10 plus pages form, fax them, yes, still fax, and wait 3 to 5 business days. 1 in 5 requests get denied, triggering our more manual appeal world. That's $19.7 billion a year in administrative waste, still running on fax machine. So this is MedBridge landing page. So this MedBridge, it's not a chatbot with a script. It's a real agentic tool use loop. The LLM decide which tool to call next, observe the result, and keep going until the workflow is done. No hard-coded sequence. Let me click on the launch workflow. So let me try first standard approval workflow. This is the standard one. So we'll click on the try demo. So we can see here like the form autofill, this loads a real patient case, Margaret Thompson, lumbar MRI insured through Aetna. So now let me click on the submit button. So the workflow progress start. Now watch the agent work. First it scan Aetna this policy database to Aetna policy database to pull coverage criteria and clinical requirement. Then medical record analysis. So it analyzed the patient medical record to establish medical necessity. This is the agent reasoning, not filling a template. Then it auto-populate the entire authorization form, 96% field completeness. Yeah, then here it's it's submitted by a EDI 278, the real electronic data interchange standard pair use. Then the status tracking. Then it tracked the authorization status in real time. And here is the summary. Now let me try the another workflow, the denial one. So switch to denial workflow. Let me click on the try demo. And now I'm submitting it. So now here is the differentiator. So it run the denial scenario. Um, the request come back denied. Code CO50, a normal system stop here. MedBiz doesn't. So the appeal draft generates. So here the agent read the denial reason, pull supporting clinical evidence from the patient record, and draft a full CMS compliant appeal letter automatically queued for the physician co-signature. So this is like the generated appeal letter. You can see here. So this is a process that normally takes staff 2 or 3 days, but MedBridge does it in seconds. Now let's talk about the tech stack, the architectural diagram. So like under the hood, Fast API and Python on the back end, React and White on the front end with real-time polling, and Grok running LLA MA 3.370B for the actual agent reasoning. It's a HIPAA-aware, CMS 2026 compliant, and handle rule across Aetna, BCBS, USC, Cigna, and Humana. So judges from the AWS, Microsoft, eBay, and Capital One, they call the denial to appeal flow uh, product thinking beyond the happy part. That's the kind of ownership I want to bring, solving the whole problem, not just the happy part. Thanks for listening.